Struggling with a completely digital bank? Ever wondered how to get cash into an account that has no physical branches? It's a common question, and in this video, we're tackling exactly that: how to deposit money into your Neon account. Neon is a fantastic Swiss fintech company, known for its super low fees and easy-to-use app. But because it's 100% digital, there's no brick-and-mortar location to walk into with a wad of cash. So, what are your options for topping up your account? Let's dive in. The first and most straightforward way to add money to your Neon account is through a traditional bank transfer. Since your Neon account comes with a unique Swiss IBAN, you can simply transfer funds from another bank account. This is a standard process. You log into your other bank's online banking or app, enter your Neon IBAN, and send the money. Easy as that. For transfers from Swiss accounts, it's usually very quick, often arriving the same day or the next business day. Just make sure you've got the IBAN right to avoid any delays. But what if you have cash you need to deposit? This is where things get a little more creative. Neon offers a couple of solutions for this. The first option, and probably the most convenient for many, is using a Twint top-up. You can buy these Twint credit codes at various locations like Coop Supermarkets, Coop Bau Plus Hobby, Coop City, and even the post office. You pay with your cash at the checkout and receive a receipt with a credit code. Then, you use the Twint app to transfer that credit to your Neon account. It's a neat workaround for the lack of a physical counter. There's another way to deposit cash, but it involves a bit more effort and a small fee. You can generate a QR deposit slip online. You'll need to enter your Neon IBAN and name, print the slip, and then take it to a Swiss post office counter. The post office will accept the cash and process the deposit to your account, but they will charge a fee for this service. So, while it's a viable option, it's not free like a bank transfer or the Twint method. Now, a lot of you might be wondering about international transfers. What if you're getting paid from a foreign account or need to receive money from a family member abroad? This is where Neon's partnership with Wise really shines. The Neon app is integrated with Wise, which is known for its transparent and low-cost international transfers. Within the Neon app, you can easily set up an international transfer, get the real exchange rate, and see the low fees up front. It's a seamless way to manage your global finances without the hefty fees traditional banks often charge. So, your options are a simple bank transfer from another account, which is the most common method, a cash deposit using a Twint top-up at places like Coop, or a cash deposit at the post office with a QR slip, which comes with a fee. For international money, the Wise integration makes it incredibly simple and affordable. Neon makes managing your money easy, even if you're dealing with cash in a digital-first world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.